I can't get this makeup right. I want to look perfect for tonight.
Sarah, you always look perfect.
All the makeup artists are booked and we can't afford the ones available. I feel like my makeup is a disaster. I wish there was something I could do.
You always look perfect, Sarah, but I understand how important this is to you.
Wait, I've been following Aurora Makeup and she has a new ebook. This could be my solution.
Go for it, Sarah. It might be exactly what you need.
I got it, Alex. The ebook Aurora Makeup. I can't wait to try it.
I'm sure you'll rock it, Sarah.
Look, Alex. I'm trying her techniques. It's so easy to follow and so much fun.
You're getting the hang of it, Sarah.
What do you think, Alex?
Wow, Sarah, you look absolutely stunning. You look beautiful every day, Sarah.
Thanks to Aurora Makeup, I finally feel confident in my makeup skills.
With Aurora Makeup's ebook, Sarah discovered her true beauty and embraced it, making every moment special.
Thanks, Aurora Makeup.